Alright, starting the recording, pulling back from the city. City has roots inside of the line. So pull back slow. See right there how I just turned? Well, I told you how it turned into the city. Alright, so you see this pipe right here. That's because somebody came through here and did some type of repair. Go ahead, pull back. Alright, that's our roots. Alright, so push back forward just a little bit. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Alright, so right there. So we see that our footage right here is at 9.3.
9.3, okay.
So what we want to do is, once we come in, what we're going to do is, before we cut those roots out, when we come with our other home. Alright, go ahead.
It's like a 3 or 4 feet of roots, right?
Okay. Go ahead.
And if it's roots, it's because the pipe is broke, right?
Yeah, it's because it's a crack or break or something inside the line.
And these parts are
Right.
PVC.
Yeah, but go back forward. Pull back a little bit. Pull back some. No, come back towards us. Look up at the top. Pull back some more slowly. See right there? The entry. Alright, so we see that entry inside the pipe. We know that we can't block that entry. So our liner got to be in front of that.
Oh, passing the fitting. Okay.
Yeah, so we got to have our liner going past that fitting.
Okay.
So what we'll end up doing, once we insert our liner, we'll look at it behind by this fitting, and we'll look at it in front. So let's go ahead and pull it back.
That means that we're gonna start lining it up from here. After passing the footing.
We're gonna try to go. Yeah, we're gonna try to make it a little clean shot going past it, make it clean. All right, so let's go ahead and pull it back. That's the other side of his house where they tied into the line.